Hey everybody, welcome. My name is Darnell, and today I'm going to paint on a turkey. Gobble gobble. This turkey is from Christina Welch, and there are five of us in this collab. It's the Turkey Challenge. So we've been given this wooden turkey, and each one of us can do whatever we want with it. So I've been thinking about it all week, trying to decide what kind of design I can do with this little guy. And I think I've come up with a pretty good idea. So I have primed it. I used this acrylic gesso. That was my first step. And then I'm going to paint off or tape off the legs and the head. And then tape the little guy to my spinner. So I'm going to do that right now. And I will be right back with you. Okay, so I got my turkey head and feet taped off, and I have some tape behind it so it will sit tightly on the spinner when I spin it out. So in this collab today is Brian from Spontaneous Creations by Brian, and Christina Welch from Christina Welch Art, Shelly Anderson from Shelly Anderson Art, and Mona from Art Flow by Mo. So we all been given a turkey, and each one of us are going to do something different. It'll be exciting to see what they come up with as well. All right, so I think I've decided what I'm going to do here. I want to do like the dahlia flower, to where each one of the lines that come up will maybe represent feathers. I'm not sure how that's going to turn out, but I think that's the route I'm going to go. And if not, I will just scrape it and then do a blowout. I was going to do that anyway, but I do a lot of those and I want to try something different. So anyway, all right, I'm going to get my colors and show you what I've come up with. All right, so I have some Proj Posse Paint Barn Red Shimmer and gold Proj Posse Paint. I have some Grumbacher Burnt Umber, dries really dark. Just white, Artist Loft. And then here I got some Sleeping Beauty Turquoise Shimmer and Proj Posse Paint Champagne Shimmer. And this one is also Proj Posse Paint. All right, so I'm going to get some gloves on, and then we are going to start doing my puddle pours. Okay, so I have my gloves on, and my colors are all ready to go. I'm going to start with, I think I'm going to start about right here instead of in the center. Maybe it'd be better to put it like that. It wants to lift up a little bit, so hopefully it doesn't run too bad. All right, so we have the Barn Red Shimmer. We're going to start off with start all over again. I actually think I'm going to lay a little of some background down there. And maybe we'll just do the white. Just run some white around it. So it's going to need something to flow on. Probably should put that on first. Wasn't thinking. So I see my colors rolling over each other as they're spreading out. And that's okay, because I'm going to put enough layers on here to matter, but just rub all this in and get something for them to flow on. All right. And I'm just going to do it with my finger. Spread it out. Oh, I didn't add the white. I took it out and didn't put it back in. Oh well, we'll just make it a little off this time. Yeah. I know there's a lot of paint on there, but I think I'm going to do one more round, and then I'm going to run my skewer through everything out to each of the feather points, and then spin. Let's see what kind of madness I've created here. Almost did it again. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, there we go. White, turquoise. I'll add a little good amount there, and champagne shimmer. All right, looks like I need to torch it. Oh my God, there's so much paint on there. I didn't even really probably need that last round. Okay, I was doing a Brian. He likes lots and lots of paint. So do I, Brian. That center is too large. Need it to be smaller. I wonder if I didn't do these down here, how that would turn out. Oh my, I truly am making a mess of this, I think. Oh well. Hey, it's all about playing around in it, experimenting, having fun. It's already moved from the original lines. Okay, that looks a little better. I like that. A little more interesting than that big old glob of gold. All right, here we go, folks. We're going to spin her out. It's craziness. Okay, let's try it again. Whoa. So it reached all the petals, or the feathers. It's a little crazy. That's crazy. I don't know that I love this right here. You know what? I think I'm going to... I don't think that's any better. Okay. Well, I suppose I could put... Let me try something. I'm just going to do a couple more layers and spin it out again. Skewer it again. Well, this is kind of a little bit of a hot mess now, isn't it? Why not? All right, here we go. It's interesting. Wonder. Tilted. Yeah, let's try tilting it. All right, let's see what we got. You know what? That's kind of cool looking. I think I'm going to leave it there. Yeah. Definitely not what I had thought of in the beginning, but yeah, that's cool. When it's dry and I got the head and the feet painted, I'll be back. So she is finished. So I put some glue down and then put some glitter on the head and the feet. And I love how that came out. And I just love it. I actually am really, really happy with it. And I'm so glad I didn't scrape it. I was pretty close to doing that. If I had made a smaller puddle, I think when in the beginning, in the center part, I think I would have had more results of what I was looking for. But sometimes that doesn't work out. And I'm really happy with it. So I'm glad. So I want you to check out the other artists. There's Christina and Brian, Shelley, and Mona. And I'll put their links down in the description below and see what they came up with. Really appreciate you joining. Thanks so much.